When you're dealing with allegedly withheld exculpatory evidence, the standard is, does it undermine the confidence in the verdict? And I think that you have to take a broader look at this. And yes, we've raised certain specific issues, but I think when the court makes that analysis of whether it undermines the confidence in the verdict, you have to look at the bigger picture. And it's my belief that this case has been unfair from the very beginning. And it has been unfair to a constitutional level to the Gravelles. And we go back, we'll start with the evidence that we now have that we didn't have, which is the state report, a Joe Johnson note that revealed a conversation between Ms. Johnson and Ms. Alexander regarding Mr. Loeffler's alleged motives for not investigating the 2003 Comfort Keepers allegations. And when you add to that all of the other things that went on before and during this trial, for example, going back to the search warrant and the affidavit, and I know the court's ruled on that, but if you factor in the information that we now have and take it back to there and look at the types of issues we could have raised both on the motion to suppress and during the trial, had we known about the allegation that Ms. Alexander made, which was redacted from the copy that we got, if we'd have known about the state report, that the state actually found the county in violation of state regulations for parts of the investigation, specifically the August 05 investigation that Ms. Johnson was doing, at the very time leading up to this search warrant affidavit, which the court has ruled was largely false. If you look at all of these things and the fact that we're still, as of Tuesday night, getting new evidence that the county controlled and that we had no reasonable way of getting other than through the county, and that was redacted, intentionally redacted. How much more is out there that we don't know about? How many times do we have to keep coming back here to ask that we be given all the evidence we're entitled to?